Hello everyone, welcome to the web learning series. In this video, I am going to explain about the VHDL coding for 4-in-1 multiplexer using case and if statement. This 4-in-1 multiplexer consists of 4 inputs, 1 selection input and 1 output. When the selection input is 0, 0, the first input A will be selected. When the selection input is 0, 1, the input B will be selected and given to the output. Similarly, C will be selected for the selection input of 1, 0. Finally, D will be selected for the selection input of 1, 1. Now I am going to explain the VHDL coding for 4-in-1 multiplexer. VHDL code has 3 parts: the library use class, entity declarations, and architecture body. VHDL library allows you to store commonly used packages that you can use in your files. The standard library packages are library IEEE, use IEEE.stdlogic1164.all. The library is followed by the declarations part, in which the input and output can be declared. In this program, the entity part, which starts with the keyword entity and then entity name. Here we have used the entity name mux, which is followed by is. Then various inputs and outputs are declared. Here in this program, we have 4 inputs with the standard logic: A, B, C, D. These 4 inputs are a single bit, so we have used in std logic. Selection is another input port. Since it is a 2-bit binary value, the data type std logic vector 1 down to 0 is used, and E is an output port. After the entity, we have an architecture body which is used to describe the behavior, data flow, or structure of entity design. In the architecture syntax, the keyword architecture is followed by architecture name. Here the architecture name is mux, which is again followed by the entity name. The entity name is also that mux. Then after begin, we have the process statement, which is followed by the sensitivity list. We have all the inputs in the process statement. Now we have the case statement for 4-in-1 multiplexer. Case cell is when the selection input is 0, 0, the output E becomes A. When the selection input is 0, 1, the output E is B. When the selection input is 1, 0, the output is C, and for other selection input, that is 1 and 1, the output is D. And finally, we conclude with end case. Similarly, the if statement for different condition is also presented here. Here you can see the program. If the selection input is 0, 0, then the output E is equal to A, else if, look at the spelling, ELSIF. Else if the selection input is 0, 1, the output E is B, and so on. Finally, the program ends with end if and end process, finally end architecture name. In this way, you can design any program using VHDL. Thank you.